doing laundry, but I don't know where he is.
Brian, where are you? Brian? Can you come up here for a sec? I just have something to show you.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Surprise!
He's asleep.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Jeez.
I kept a secret from you?
Are you surprised?
Sure.
He fell asleep on the way.
I actually kept a surprise from him.